at the beginning, I used to do what? I used to put all of those coefficients inside the argumented matrix. Then I will try now to create one matrix. The name of this matrix, the argumented matrix. What exactly I will put inside this matrix? The coefficient. Take it better equation by equation, okay? Let's start. Try to insert the first equation inside this matrix. What is the coefficient of x? What is the coefficient of y? What is the coefficient of z? In front of x, I have 1. In front of y, I have 1. In front of z, I have 1. The free number on the right side, it will be what? It will be only 5. Perfect. By the same way, I will try to insert the second equation inside the matrix. Then give me the coefficient of those variables. In front of x, I have 2. In front of y, I have 3. In front of z, I have 5. And on the other side, as you can see, I have whom? I have only 8. Then here I have 8. Perfect. And now I have with me the second equation. By the same way, I will try to insert the last equation inside the argumented matrix. Then I will come here to put the coefficient. In front of x, I have 4. And unfortunately here, I don't have any y. Then instead of y, I'm going to put 0. And in front of z, the coefficient of z, I have 5. And the free number, which is the right, I have only 2. Then here I'm going to put 2. Then as you can see, this is my argumented matrix. Perfect. If you remember, I told you yesterday to convert this matrix to be same like the map. Okay, then I'm going here to write the map, which we are going to use through our solution. The map here, it's a little bit big. Because of what? Because I have more variables. Then my map here, it will become what? The diagonal will be 1. On the diagonal, I will put 1. Here again, I will put 1. Here again, I will put 1. But down, I will put zeros. Then below the diagonal, I will put here 0. And again, I will put here 0. And again, I will put here 0. And again, I will put here 0. Then this is my map. Then again, to be easy, I wanted to do what exactly? I would like to convert the black numbers to be same like those. Okay, I would like to convert the black numbers to be same like those. To do that, I should make the solution through those steps. I'll try to perform the solution through those steps. Then step number 1, all the time, I will try to make this location equal to 1. Then remember, this is step 1. I wanted this location to be 1. Step 2, I hope you can hear me or I'm speaking to myself.
Yes, doctor, we are with you.
Okay. Step 2, I will try to make this location to be 0. Step 3, I will try to convert this location to be also 0. Perfect. After that, I will go where? I will go to this one. Then I will try to create. This is step 1. Step 4, I'm sorry. Step 4, I will try to create or I will try to convert this place to be 1. After that, I will go to step 5. Here it is. In step 5, I will try to convert this location to be 1. And step 6, the last step here, step 6, this one, it should be also 1. To be easy for you to remember that, you can do it like this one, like the password or the pattern of the password of your phone. Like what? Like here I have 1. Yeah, I'll write nice way better. Here I have 1. Here I have 0. Here I have 0 also. But here I have 1. And here I have 0. And here, the last one here I have 1. Okay, then how I will go through those numbers? Look, I will start all the time like from here, from this one to down, 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 down. And then I will go up, and then I will go down, and then I will go right. Then remember, this is the password of my phone. I will go like that, and then like this. The pattern of the password here, it will be like this. Or by another way, I will go like that. This is step 1, and then step 2, and then step 3. After that, this is step 4, and then step 5, and finally I have here step 6. Okay, to remember that, to remember the map. Anyway, how to use it, I think we will do same as we did yesterday. And if you couldn't catch anything yesterday, you can focus again, because I'm repeating now. Okay, then let's start. I'm going now to compute step 1. Then can you me in step 1, what should I do? In step 1, what should I do? Okay, in step 1, this place should be 1. That means I'm going now to convert this place to be 1. Okay, he is 1 already. That means I will do nothing, because he wanted me to make this place 1, and I have already here 1. That means step 1 for me what? Step 1 for me what?
Done.
For me done. Correct? Step 1 I will do nothing, because he wanted me to make the place 1, and here I have 1. That means step 1 finished. Then after that, I will try to go to step 2. Where is step 2? Step 2, it will be this number. This number should be 0. But as you can see, I have here 2. That means I wanted to do what? I wanted to convert this 2 to be 0. How to do that? How to convert 2 to be 0? And again, I'll just try to make it from beginning. Now, step number 1, as you saw, we finish it. That means I'm going now to step 2. In step 2 here, what happened? I wanted to convert this one to be 0. Do you remember how to do that? Yeah, it's easy. How I will do that? First, I should change the sign of this number. He will become -2. After that, I will create 2 brackets like that. Inside those 2 brackets, what I'm going to do, I will put here inside. All the time I used to fill the second bracket first. Inside the second bracket, I will put the location of these 2. These 2 lays where? In which row? In R2. In row 2. Then here I will put R2. Good. After that, above these 2, do you have 1? Yes, I have 1. Where it is? In R1. Then here I'm going to put R1. Perfect. Then this elementary row operation, or this operation now, it will become with me. I will just try to compute it. As you know, I used to put 2 dashes below, below that one, below R2, below the second bracket overall. Then I will take this one and I will try to compute it. Then try to compute it with me. Try to compute it with me. Then what I'm going to do here, I will try to multiply row number 1. I will try to multiply row number 1 by -2. I will try to multiply row number 1 by -2. Then try now to multiply with me row number 1 by -2. Then this -2 multiply by this one, it will give me -1 or -2. Multiply -2 by this one, it will give me -3. Multiply -2 with 1, it will give me -4. Multiply -2 with 5, it will give me -12, 21. I'm correct or wrong?
Mr. we are multiplying R1.
All wrong. Then please give me the right one.
-2.
Yes, the right one, it will become what? The right, it will become -2, and then -2, and then how much? -10, correct? Then what about R2? I will copy just R2 as same. I will not make any change. I will just copy it from there. Then 2, after that 3, after that 5, after that 8. You're right. Then here it is. Now try to add them together. Try to add them together. Try to add those together. Then when you add them together, they will give you what?
0.
Correct. This will give you 0. This it will give you 1. -2 plus 5, only 3. And -10 plus 8, it will become only 2. Then here it is. Then remember what I'm going to do. Correct? Or -2 here? Yes, -2. Correct. Then I should put here -2. Correct. After that, what I will do, I will copy the same matrix. I will copy the same matrix exactly. Except whom I will remove from here. Look, row number 2, because here I put it 2 dash, that's mean I'm going to remove row 2. Then I will go to row 2 and I will try to remove that. When you remove row 2, replace it by this value, which we did it before. Then instead of row 2, I'm going to put what? 0 and 1 and 3, and on the other side I have negative what? Negative 2. Perfect. Then now try to check with me. Step 1, correct 1. Step 2, correct 0. Then step 2 also finish 0. Then regard that, I will try now to make step 3. Then I'll try to bring the map here just to compare. Then in step 3, I will do what in step 3? In step 3, check with me. He said, please, in step 3, change this place to be 0. But here I have 4. That means I would like now to convert this 4 to be 0, same like this. Then can you give me the operation to do that? Perfect, correct, you're right. Then at the beginning, I should change the sign of this number. He is 4, now he will become negative 4, you're right. After that, I will open the 2 brackets, here the 2 brackets. And remember, when you open the 2 brackets, you should fill which one first? The second one, this one. What should I write inside the second one? The location. The location of whom? Of this 4. This 4 were in R3. Then here I will put R3. Perfect. Okay, what should I write in the first bracket? Correct. I will go to this 4 and I will try to search about that one, which it will be above this 4. Here I have 1. The location of this one where in R1. That means I'm going to put here R1. Perfect. Then now the elementary row operation with me. Okay, as I told you, I will put here 2 dash. I will use them later. And now I will try to compute this part with you. Then I will take it here somewhere. And I will try to, in the exam, you should mention all of those steps. Okay, here I'm going to do what? I'm going to compute this operation. Then help me. I will go to R1, to row 1, and I will multiply all the numbers by whom? Yes, all the numbers, I will multiply them by negative 4. Then try to make the multiplication with me. Negative 4 multiplied by the first one, it will give me negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by the second one, it will give me also negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by this one, it will give me also negative 4. Negative 4 multiplied by 5, it will come negative 20. Correct. What about R3? R3, I will take it from here and I will copy it same. Then the third row, it was 4. After that, I have 0. After that, I have 5. After that, I have what? I have 2. Then here it is. Now try just to add them together. Then when you add negative 4 plus 4, they will give you 0. Negative 4 plus 0, it will become negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5, it will become 1. And negative 20 plus 2, it will become negative 18. Perfect. Then now I did the elementary row operation. That means I'm going to copy the previous step, this one exactly. I will type it same, except whom, which line here I will remove, I will erase, I will clean. R3. Then I will go to R3 and I will remove it. I will clean this part, R3. And instead of R3, I'm going to put the result, which we did it here. That means I'm going now to write what and what and what. I'm going to write 0 and negative 4 and 1 and also negative 18. Then very good. Then now this is step finished. Or step, you can say what? Step 3 finished. Then I will go to step 3 and I will write this also finished. Hence, step 3 finished. That means I'm going now to do what? To compute step 4. Then I will take my map with me because I'm going to use this map with all the steps. Then here it is. Here is the map. Remember, we are now and step 4. Step 4, I should convert this location, this place, this point to be what? To be 1. Then show me here where. Okay, then this is good. Then this is also 1. Then look, this one same like this one. Then that means step 4. I'm lucky. Step 4, I will not do it because step 4 it's ready for me. Then this is done. Then step 4 it's done. Step 4 it's done. Okay, step 4 it is done. Now let's go to step 5. Let's see. I want you to proceed me, if it's possible in the chat box, type the step. If you know how to do it, please type it. Try the full step. What should I write? And I will try to catch your answer and I will type it here. Then in step 5, I'm sorry, what I'm going to do? Yes, in step 5, I would like to do what? I would like to make this number to be 0. That means I should convert this -4 to be 0, to be same, because they have the same location. Okay, then I wanted to change this -4 to be 0. What should I do for that? Do you remember the step of that?
Change the sign first.
I change the sign first, it will become +4. After that, I will open 2 brackets. And as you know, I will try to fill the second bracket first. Inside the second bracket, I will put the location of this -4, which is R3. Then here I'm going to put R3. Okay, now try to focus with me, please. Above -4, how many
R1.
you have?
R2.
I have one in R1, but also I have another one where
R2.
I have another one in R2. Then as you can see, I have here two R's. I have one of them in R1. I have one, I'm sorry, in R1. And also I have one in R2. Then which one I'm going to select?
R2.
Which one I'm going to select, R1 or R2? Which one of them close to -4, R2 or R1? Which one very close to R2? Look to R3 or to -4. Look, R2 very close to -4. Then I will take R2. R1 it's far away from -4. Then I will remove R1. Then I will take just the close one. I cannot take the far one. Then I will take this one, just R2. I will take it. Perfect. Then here it is. Then if you have this opportunity, if you have 2 ones like those, take the close one of them. Then now I'm going to take R2, and then I will try now to make the elementary row operation or the simple row operation. Simple row operation. It's mean this one. I will try to make this operation. Then I will take it like that, and I will try to compute it. Same as we used to do all the time. Then I will take it like this, and I will put it down. And then I will try just to make addition between the 2 lines. Can you give me the numbers which I should write here? I will go to R2 and I will multiply all the line by 4. Then what should I write now? Correct. This 4 multiplied by 0, it will give me 0. And this 4 multiplied by 1, it will give me 4. And this 4, when you multiply it by 3, it will give you how much? It will give you around 12. And 4 multiplied by -2, it will become -8. What about R3? R3, it's ready. I will copy it same. R3, I will copy it same. That's mean 0 and -4. And here I have also 1. And there I have -18, -18. Perfect. Now try to add all of those together. Then when you add them, they will give you what? 0 plus 0, it will give me 0. 4 minus 4, it will become 0. 12 plus 1, it will become 13. And -8 minus 18, -26. Correct. -26. Here it is. Okay, then now the operation finished. That's mean I'm going now to do what? To copy the previous step. To copy the previous step. To copy the previous step. Except whom? Except R1 maybe?
R3.
Yeah, except R3, because here I mentioned I will remove R3. Then I am going now to remove R3. I'm going to remove R3. I'm going to remove R3. And instead of R3, I will put this value, which we did it before. Then here I'm going to put 0. After that, I will put 0. After that, I will put the number 13. And on the other side, I will put -26. Perfect. Then now it will become, as you can see, like this. Then I just try to remember with you what we did. Step 4 finished. Step 5 also finished. Look, here I have 1 and 0. Here also I have 1 and 0. That's mean now I should now compute which step, the last step, which is step 6. Remain only with me step 6. In step 6, I wanted to do what? As you can see in the map, I would like to convert this number to be 1. That means I should convert this number also to be 1, to be same like that one. Do you remember how to convert the place to be 1?
Divided by 13.
Perfect. Then, if you want to convert the place to be 1, you should do what? You should divide the location itself. Then this location, this is R3. Then I will take R3 and I will divide R3 by 13. Then I should go here and I will divide the first number by 13. Also, I will divide the second number by 13. Also, I will divide the third number by 13. And by the way, I will also divide the third one by 13. When you divide all of those by 13, they will become what? When you divide all of those numbers by 13, they will give you down what and what and what and what. Can you write in the chat box?
0, 0, 1, -2.
Perfect. Then, as you said, 0 divided by 13, that's mean it will be only 0. And again, when you divide 0 by 13, it will be only 0. But when you divide 13 by 13, they will cancel each other and they will become what? They will become 1. The divide, it will give you 1. Then here I should write 1. And -26 by 13, when you do that by the calculator, it will give you how much? It will give you -2. It will give you -2. Then here is all the steps finished. Look, even step 6 finished. After that, I should convert this matrix to be equation. Okay, how to do that? How to convert the matrix to be equation? Yeah, it's easy. I should write small x here, and the small y here, and the small z here. By the way, for the second line, x, y, z also. And for the third line also, I will write x, and I will write y, and I will write z. And as I told you before, start from down. Start from down. Try to convert those numbers to be equation by the multiplication. Let's start. 0 multiplied by x, I will write 0 multiplied by x plus 0 multiplied by y, then 0 multiplied by y plus 1 multiplied by z, 1 multiplied by z equal to the other side -2. Can you simplify this equation with me? Yes, it's easy one. Simplify it now. When you simplify that, it will give you what? You know, 0 multiplied by x, it will go. 0 multiplied by y, it will go. 1 multiplied by z, it will become only z equal to -2. Then here, I have the value of z with me. Z equal to -2. By the same way, try to convert now the middle line or the middle row. Try to convert with me the middle row to be what? To be the middle row to be also equation. Then I'll just make multiplication, nothing else. It's very easy. 0 multiplied by x, then I will write here 0 multiplied by x, plus 1 multiplied by y, plus 3 multiplied by z. All of that equal to how much? To -2 also. Okay, good. Then now I want you to help me. I just want to simplify this, nothing else. Then try to simplify now with me. When you multiply 0 by x, it will go. Then remain 1 multiplied by y, only y. Plus 3 multiplied by z, then 3 multiplied by z. Z equal what here? Equal to -2. Correct, then I'll put -2. All of that equal to -2. From this small equation, can you find y alone? From this small equation, can you find y alone?
4.
Then from this equation, I will, you know, -2 multiplied by 3, it will become 6. Take it other side, it will become +6. +6 minus 2, it will become 4. Then y equal to 4, you write. Correct. Then y equal to 4, you write. Correct. This is the answer. Again, I will go back to convert now the last equation. I will go back to convert now the last equation, the black one. I'll try to convert the last equation, the black one. Then help me. I will convert this equation now to be here. Then type it with me, please. I have 0, the last equation, not this one, the first one, I mean. Because this one we did it already. Okay, then the first equation. Let's now compute the first equation, or try to convert the first row to be equation, I mean. I will do it by black to be clear. Then 1 multiplied by x, it will become 1x, plus 1 multiplied by y, it will become 1y, plus 1 multiplied by z, it will become 1z. All of that equals to 5. As you can see, I'm trying my best to put all the details. But in the exam, no need to make that. As much as you can reduce, you can, simplify. Then 1 multiplied by x, 1 multiplied by y, 1 multiplied by z equals to 5. Then try now to simplify this equation with me. That's mean when you multiply 1 by x, it will become only x. 1 by y, I know y already, y equal to 4, then I will put it 4. Plus 1 multiplied by z, z equal to negative 2, then 1 multiplied by negative 2, it will become negative 2. All of that equals to 5. That means x alone equal what from this equation? 4 minus 2 to become 2, take it to the other side. That means x equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. Then here it is. I have now with me the answer. I have now this x, I have this y, and I have this z. Let's suppose you want to check your solution. What you will do to check your solution? All you have to do, go and select any of those equations, any one you like. I will choose, suppose, the first one. And I will try to substitute to check, is it correct or wrong? I will try to verify this. I will check the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side or no. Remove this x and give me the value of x. The value of x here 3. Plus, remove this y and give me the value of y. What is the value of y? Yes, the value of y here, we wrote it 4. Remove this z and put the value of z. The value of z, how much? Negative 2. Now try to compute those. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 2, only 5. Then correct this 5, same like this 5. That's mean my solution correct. Clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
clear.
clear.